Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Ekpe, Savemore supermarket.
Since the solar has been installed, our fridge is now produced ice block on the oven to show you the effectiveness of.
Thank you.
So save more. Have you subscribed? Please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Ekpe. So this is the smallest system we installed. It's a 5 kilowatt inverter with an 8 kilowatt hour battery.
Yes, I was running generator and I wasn't getting satisfied because we can only power just 2 fridge on, and we had to empty the other chiller, and then the other freezer we bought. We always buy ice to chill it.
So you have even though you're running your generator,
yes,
you have to go out and buy ice.
Yes, so
and your ACs were not running.
No, not at all.
Okay.
So it was like double expenses, and we're not still getting a good result because now the ice melts into the fridge and gives us a foul smell because we don't know the water they use in making the ice and all that. So it was driving some of our customers away because when they enter here, our gen only comes on from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.
8 to 1.
Yes, and then we'll put it off, then put it on again by 6:30.
So from 1 to 6:30.
Yes.
No refrigeration. No fan, no
lights.
Oh, and lights were out.
Yes.
Wow.
No lights. So it was a horrible experience, and and it's during that time of the day. That's the peak time. Like the sun is up and everywhere, so people are looking forward to get cool drinks, and we're providing that service So we're losing a whole lot of customers, and it wasn't funny. Our business were going down, so we had to come up with the solar. So we installed the inverter and the solar. It's been amazing. Our sales are picking up back again. We've had cold drinks. Like Joshua said, our freezers are even producing ice block. Like we have blocked drinks right now.
Wow.
From morning till night. So our customers are satisfied. Everybody is rushing in here, especially when the sun is up.
Like it is very warm outside now.
To come and take cold drinks, and even the ACs are cooling. The 2 of them are on. So it's an amazing experience so far. We've not even used any we've not used generators since 3 weeks now, and we're running purely on solar. So you open, when do you open? In the morning? 7:30.
So you open from 7:30
to 10.
So you open from 7:30 to 10?
Yeah, sometimes 10:30.
So you run on solar from 7:30 in the morning to 10:30. And you open 7 days a week?
Yes.
Okay.
Today is Sunday, we're open today.
Okay, so we're Sunday, it is whatever time it is. Let me look at my watch. It is Sunday, 11:20 a.m. So how were you able to make this happen? Did you get bank financing?
Yes. Even from the first one, I also got bank financing.
Okay.
From
Sterling Bank, Imperium.
Yes.
Okay.
Sterling Bank. You pay your initial deposit and every other thing. They will share it. Like you pay on installments, like monthly, and it will be very easy for you to pay. So you enjoy what I'm enjoying today, and forget about anything fueling, forget about anything repairing of gen, and just have a stress-free life using solar.
So you're spending about 25,000 a day?
Yes, more than that, because we buy ice block. So we have like 4,500, let's just say 2,000, no, 25,000 daily.
Daily?
Yes.
So if I looked at over 10 days, that's 250.
Exactly.
If I looked at over 30 days, that's 750.
Mm-hmm.
What is your monthly payment on this now?
This is just 480,000.
480k. So the equivalent to what you spend, less than what you spend every 20 days.
And still getting more results.
You're getting more value.
Yes, more value.
So you have your ACs that are on now, all your chillers, your fridge. Well, once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Ekpe, Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.